Hey, what's going on, guys? Dr. Typhon here. Welcome to a, small tutorial thing, show-off thing, Quick Team Fusion, custom Undertale fight thing. Yeah. Alright, so you can't hear me very well because I'm on a second laptop, and this one's mic, the mic on this one is terrible. So I'm sorry. I'm going to be showing a custom Undertale fight with a sprite that I actually merged a bunch of I just merged a bunch of sprites and created this one. I actually have a list, but yeah. So I'm going to be making a custom Undertale fight. The first thing we gotta do is create the box, and since the backdrops don't work well, then yeah, I gotta do this. Make it a 9x9. First, I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna make this into a. I'm just gonna turn that white. Okay. Now it's a little white cube. Oh, shoot. No, I don't wanna edit this. I don't wanna. Oh my god. I don't wanna edit this. Oh. Thank you. So we gotta make the box first. I do 300. 300. Move it. Clone it. Oh, I don't want to copy. Clone it. So this is the basics. This is the basics. I will just watch and learn. Watch and learn. There we go. First thing you've got to do is create a box. No. Clone object. This is gonna be a series sort of thing because I only have 15 minutes to record. I only have 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes, yeah, it'll automatically it'll end the recording automatically. Well, there we go. Alright. Making the box. Copy. No. If you copy it, then it'll, you won't be able to edit it. If you like duplicate it, copy it, it'll just like affect all of them, so you gotta clone it. You have to clone it, or else it'll just be stupid. And let me show you. Okay, so say I'm making a box. Oh, wait, no, I don't want to clone it. I'm gonna duplicate it. Okay? See, it looks the same, but when I try to edit it, this happens. This happens when I try to edit it. They both go. So you don't want to do that. You want to clone it. Oh, no. Yeah, you clone it. Clone object. Now the soul. Let me go get the soul real quick from my gallery of sprites. Insert object. Active. Okay. So this is the player. This is everything about the game. I'd suggest making the speed 30, but you can make that whatever the heck you want. Yes. So now you just delete that, because you don't want the player to be... Actually, okay, so you don't want the player to be a diamond. Now, you're coming to here, grab... You can get the actual sprite, but I made my own. There you go. Boom. Boom. Alright. Okay. So that's a little too big. So now you just gotta, like, make it 15 by 15, I believe. It looks messed up right now because when you rescale things in this, it'll just make it look weird and terrible. So now it's like this. It's not something happened in this poor soul's life. So there you go, there's your soul. All deformed and crap. Alright, now, when you play this... Crap! Okay. Contains an incorrect path. What the heck does that mean? Alright, I'll be right back. Yay! Yay! Starting from scratch! Gotta start from scratch again because the application didn't want to cooperate with me, so now I gotta do all this again. But it isn't that hard though. Precision. Precision is best. I apologize for my grammar, or my, way of speaking. I'm not very good at it. Alright, luck. There we go. Here's the background, here's what Sans is gonna be. Oof. Go into here. Grab the sprite. These are just like test sprites. The ones that I like take from an entire sprite sheet and then make completely new ones. So paste. Yes. That. No, I did something wrong. Remove you. This for some reason I don't know how to like hold on. Let me look for something. Options. Pick color. Draw with background color. What? Checkerboard colors. Black. Red. Let me see what this does. Oh, that's cool, but I don't like it. It's distracting. How do I reset to default? Okay. Here we go. Okay, just turn the background black, then do that, and then it's alright. Now you turn that to transparent, and then bada boom. There's your sprite. Always make the quick move to the middle, so it doesn't, like, mess anything up. Alright, and there we go. Now, that's too small, so just, you resize it. Resize the model, and then it'll be good. Thank goodness that it only blurs this, because I don't want like a deformed version of him. I don't like that. Oh wait. I also did this. Just to make, because it voice. Because it looks good, I do this. Wait. Link. Oh, no, wait, I forgot something. No. Precision. Yes. Ignore that little piece right there. You won't be able to see it while you're playing the game. Whatever. There's the sprite. Now, if we run the application... Yeah, it actually plays now. Alright, insert object. Do the same thing I did before. Oof. Make it 9 by 9. Then make that part 300. Oops. I don't know why. You could just, like, turn the top one to 300, but... this is how I do it. Don't judge me. Clear that. Get that. Then that. Okay. There you go. There's the line. There's the box part. Clone it. Do not duplicate it. Go down. 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 That's good. Yeah. Nope. Clone it. No, I don't want to copy it. Clone it. Okay. Wait. 9. There we go. Oh, crud. Nuggets. There we go. Oh, no! There we go. I hate making the box. This is the one part. This is the Don't get mad at me for using other sprites, alright? This is the only, like, this is good. This makes the game actually good. Also, I don't know, you're not able to upload these things. It's just a fun thing to, like, challenge your family with. So, take the heart. I'm gonna make this smaller. Oh! Oh! Ah, crud. Meh. Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold on, there's something missing. There's something missing. That's better. Yes. Please, I hope I don't have to resize this. This is perfect. I don't... Oh, God, I think I do. Because it's too small. It's too small. Make the player's quick move to the middle. Action point. Or whatever it's called. It's too small! Gosh darn it! Gah! Oh my god. Ugh. We don't have much time. This sucks. Wish I knew how to make a better art, but I can't. I can't. This is perfect. This isn't like the... This isn't... Hold on a minute. Alright! So, now when we run... Oh, wait. Almost forgot. There we go. Now! Yes. But the player still can go into the box, like... Really? Anyway. Now, what you gotta do to fix... Hold on. To fix this problem, you gotta, go into the events, or objects, condition, collisions with another object, with this, okay. Move, okay, when you make it collide with the, first active, the movement will stop. Great. Insert, if this, with another object, okay. Oh, no. Insert. This, collide with another, this, nope, this, there we go, this, and this, okay, this should work, please work, please, I beg of you, I beg you to do it, oh crud, mother, wait a minute, did I do this, oh, did I do it right? Did I do it right? Stop. Oh my god, no. Oof. Alright then, I gotta do it by one object, which is stupid. I wish I could, like... Stop. Uh-oh.